Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hoiran War. Name 221320000741. In here, I will explain about TPR in the methodology TESOL. Total Physical Response, or TPR, is language teaching method developed by James Asher. Its main principle to connect language with physical movement, where students respond to verbal command with action. This method is based on the idea that understanding language through physical action help students, especially beginner, internalize the language more natural and similar how to children learn their first language. In applying TPR in the classroom, teacher give sample comment with that involve physical action like stand up, sit down, or touch your head. Student respond by performing the action. Next is key principle of the TPR. Include is number one is student understand and respond physical before they expect to speak. And number two is student respond to command with action, like example like the toss your head. Is a command. It's command with action to toss your head. That encouraging language and comparison. Number three is TPR create a relaxed and enjoyable learning experience, lowering the fear of making mistake when speaking. And the last is contact in the contextual learning, making easier to remember to understand. The next section is simulation applying TPR in classroom. Okay student, in here we will practice about TPR in methodology TESOL. That's an easy simulation. I give you order, you following my order. I give you the example. If I say toss your head, the following direction. You understand? Let's start practice. Okay, first touch your shoulder, touch your hair, touch your ear, touch your nose. Okay, the next order I will give you a subject object. Pick up your pen. Next is pick up your book. Next session is about the effective and the challenge, the implementation about TPR method in the methodology TESOL in the classroom. TPR methodology is very effective for language teaching, especially with young learner and the beginner. By connecting language with physical action, TPR engages the student actively with aids in the memory retention and comparison. Here are some reasons it's effective along with potential challenge. Teacher make face in the classroom. And the challenge is the classroom management. TPR activity can make the classroom lively and energy can something become challenging to counter, especially with young children who may be overexcited or distracted. And number two is limit use for abstract concept. TPR work best with concrete vocabulary, example, action, object, but is least effective for abstract concept like emotion, idea, idea, or complex grammar. This can limit applicability as the student advance. The next is number three, physical limitation. Not all students are comfortable with to engage physical action, especially in large class, or if some students have a physical disability. This requires to adjustment to ensure inclusion. And number four is class size. In a crowded classroom, it can be difficult for everyone to perform action simulation, and the teacher may be struggle to monitor each student to responses. And number five is depending on teaching instruction. TPR is teacher centered in the early strategy. Student may be passive waiting for instruction rather than activity using the language themselves. Without the balanced practice, students may be lost opportunities to process their language independently. And the last, classroom space constraint. Many TPR activity require space for movement, which can be challenging is a small or crowded classroom. Limit the space and can resist the range of the activity and the student participation. That's all for me about explain the TPR and TPR in the methodology TESOL. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.